Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to talk about API related information. Okay, so as we know, investments are subject to market risk. Please read all scheme related documents before investing. Okay, so these lines are mentioned in all investment related communications. So what are these documentations which is need to be suggesting as this kind of lines? So the documents that provide the information that the traders require are available in the documentation. Okay, so if we talk about API documentation and the key of information memorandum. Okay, so these services, API services related documents can be used for making an informed trading decision. The suitability of trading stocks to an traders depends upon the features of the stocks and matching it to the needs of the trader from the trading. Traders need to note that their trading stocks are governed by the principle of caveat emptor, that is, let the buyer beware. And trader is presumed to have read and understood the API documentation related information before trading in trading stocks or derivative. In fact, since this is a contractual agreement, the person needs to be as an applied terms and conditions need to be accepted wherever the terms has been offered. Therefore, an trader cannot claim at a future date of being unaware of a fact that was disclosed in the scheme related, or we can say the stock related, the trading related documentation. There are primarily, we can say that this need to be addressed through API JSON. So whatever the request and response we need through, we need to check that information. Okay, so for that reason I am presenting these dashboards, so which we gonna talk about as of now. Okay, so if we get in this, say suppose if you're trying with orders as whatever the orders placed. Okay, so these are the JSON will be there. Okay, so you can get all of the information. Okay, so this is kind of a customized JSON which you can get from your site from where various others related API. Okay, so you can get all of the information and can utilize to get the required information and trade from your side. Okay, so if I get this JSON and one other dashboard is there, say suppose if I want to calculate these stop loss. Okay, so which I have discussed in my one of my previous video, which I have been given as how the calculation will go. Okay, so if I want to perform this calculation, so these are the JSON is needed. So sample JSON is there which you can utilize. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So this will be stuff will be there. So it requires to be created as JSON. Okay, so now the liquidation price you can find in margin position. Okay, and you need to get the margin while placing the orders or live orders. Okay, unrealized P&L you can get in margin position, so from live orders as well. Okay, so all of these things information need to be collected, and when you get all this information, just come in this dashboard and paste it here. Okay, now what happens at 30%, if I want to calculate, I just have to say calculate stop loss and it will give me each and everything. So what is my entry price, mark price, all of the information, the live information JSON which we received will get in these things. Okay, so suppose if I you copy JSON will be there, so you can copy from your side as well. So if I get in this and paste the JSON, so that is also will gonna work. So if I calculate, and if I have to say that I want to calculate with some kind of a 200%, or I can say like 300% or something, or 250%, because in BTC you never know how much percentage it will get. Okay, but if you are doing as a option premium selling and you want to get the benefit of that premium, so you can get up to 100 to 200%, so that will be great. Okay, so you just put this, and if you calculate the stop loss, so it will be like that. Okay, so points from entry, so if you want to get the 250%, 3637 point will be there, so 67,862 at there you have to place the SL. Okay, so that is how for the selling, especially it is meant for option selling itself, so you can just come and get the proper information. Okay, your calculation, so this will be kind of a stop loss calculator. Okay, so this is you can utilize. And now the documentation is done. So suppose if I talk about the dashboard. Okay, so if I get to this information, I am able to see this stuff. Okay, so suppose if I placed any kind of a live orders, okay, and I need to check especially what I've been done, whether I bought, whether I sold, how many size is there. Okay, so all of the information which you can get. Okay, margin mode and what are the things have been utilized. Okay, what are the symbols are there. Okay, market order, whether it is pending or what. So all of the information you can get. Okay, so you can visit our website, and the information is there which we are processing. So if you want to claim for free, so all you have to do is you have to open an account. Okay, so claim via referral is there. And if you want to go with the premium service as receiving the telegram community and all of the support and services, you can buy this from. So 3 months that will be 3690 rupees, 6 months 5400 rupees, and if you want to go with the 12 months that will be 8800 rupees. Okay, so all of the trade tester information is available in our this website, and especially in our channel. I've been posting all of the details, so you can check it out, and you can visit the trade tester. And if you want to pay and utilize the service, you can come to our WhatsApp. Even if you got any requirement such as customization, such as this kind of a dashboards, you can do contact us. And if you want to perform, if you want to get any kind of services such as making your self hosting, making your static IP. Okay, so for those information you can visit, as SEBI went for static IP as well as Indian market, crypto market. Okay, so we need that kind of a laptop or personal things to make trades. So for all those things, for all those services, you can visit and you can customize. Profitable customization you can do, and you can do a lot of things. So for that reason you can contact me direct by WhatsApp, and all of the information available link in the description as well as the contact number. Okay, so thank you.